Terrible, terrible news. Summer is officially over. So I guess it's time for the official start of protein pumpkin season. Today, we're making French toast even easier with this super simple baked protein French toast. So let's jump right into it. P.S. I'm back from vacation, so drop a comment below with what kind of recipe you want to see next week. Start this with a mixing bowl. Add into it 1 cup of milk or milk substitute and 2 scoops of a good tasting vanilla protein powder. You could also use a chocolate or cinnamon powder here. Just depends on what flavors you like more. Mix those together. Continue with 3 large whole eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half a cup of pumpkin, and 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, which if you don't have, I'll put right here. Mix everything together until smooth. From here, take out 6 to 8 pieces of your choice bread and cut them into pieces. I usually use a thicker bread like this Texas toast. You can easily change the texture in this by using a harder or softer bread. I'll have some of my other favorite bread choices on the website linked below. Another thing I should mention is that I'll put the nutritional information with the bread I used and also without, so that you can add your bread in separately. Next, take out a baking dish big enough to fit your bread into and coat it with some non-stick cooking spray. Dump your bread in and pour over your pumpkin mix. Flip your bread around until all of your pieces are coated with your mix and put that into the fridge for a bit. This will allow your pieces to absorb all of your mix. After the fridge, top it with some brown sugar substitute and ground cinnamon. Last, put it into the oven on 350 for around 35 to 40 minutes. You'll know it's done when it looks like this. Hopefully this was a good start to the annual pumpkin season. I usually reheat a serving of mine in the oven or air fryer for around 10 minutes. Speaking of servings, you know where this is going. It's time for testing your guesstimating. What do you all think this entire thing weighs in grams? Drop a comment below with your guess. The closest one to it wins a shaker or shirt, which I'll announce in the next video. 1 guess per person. With that said, don't forget theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs, including both US and metric conversions for every recipe, ability to print, scale, and so on. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for pumpkin season. Subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, stay healthy.